The National Electrical Code, or NEC, mandates overcurrent protection for all conductors supplying power to a building or structure. This includes the service conductors that run from the meter to the service equipment. In the situation presented, the service conductors extend 70 feet from a new meter box to a fuse disconnect panel. Ideally, overcurrent protection should be situated as close as feasible to the point where these service conductors enter the building. This is generally at the main service panel, which is usually found inside the building. A potential issue arises when the overcurrent protection, in this case, the fuse disconnect, is positioned 70 feet away from the entry point of the service conductors into the building. This means that a fault occurring on this 70-foot cable section would not be protected by the fuse disconnect. To comply with code requirements and ensure adequate protection, an overcurrent protection device such as a circuit breaker or fuse should be installed at the point where the service conductors enter the building, near the new meter box. This configuration would provide overcurrent protection for the entire length of the service conductors, including the 70-foot segment leading to the fuse disconnect. There are additional factors to consider. Firstly, the fuse disconnect panel needs to be housed within a weatherproof enclosure to protect it from the elements. Secondly, the cable running between the new meter box and the fuse disconnect must be properly supported and shielded from physical damage to prevent potential hazards. Thirdly, it's crucial to minimize the overall length of the service conductors to mitigate voltage drop and power loss.